This is the old style vintage Honda stators. It's got 3 wires. Now normally when I test these, I'm testing for like similar readings between each 3, but I am told that one of these should be lower than the other ones. So whether that's some sort of signal or a secondary voltage for something else, I don't know. But first of all, I'll just check my meter. So 0.2. Right. So all we've got to do is test between each wire and the others. We've got 2. Naught 0.5. And 2 ohms. So we've got 2 2s and a 0.5. I think that's right. I'd have to check the specs in the manual, but I'm pretty sure that's fine. So that's a good stator, that is. You can also test between each one and the metal, and it should be in the mega ohms or 0. So the windings are fine and there's no leakage to earth.